You do not generate speed in a clean or a snatch with the jump. This is a horrible mistake everybody makes on this. When does the acceleration occur during a pull?
When your feet are exerting a force on the ground.
Yes.
Right. So, you jump,
So
your
before
body-
the jump,
Yeah.
right? You accelerate the barbell in a snatch or a clean in the middle of the pull. Because that's when the moment arm that you have to use to accelerate it is the longest. If you wait till you get up to here, how hard can you pull on something at this position? You know, it had better already be moving real fast by the time you get here. And what part of the pull makes it move fast? This part. This is where you have the positional strength to make the bar whip through the pull. But if you think that this position at the top is where all the speed comes from, that's not the physics. That's not how this works. Okay? Not how it works. It has to have happened before that. Okay?
The jump part is where it's moving the fastest, but all the acceleration starts from before that.
Yes.
Okay.
The jump part happens to be where the velocity is the highest. But what increased the velocity? The acceleration. Velocity is what?
Speed.
The speed, the rate of change of position. What's acceleration?
Instantaneous.
The change in speed. Acceleration is the change in the velocity. So the acceleration produces the increase in velocity. Where does acceleration take place? Where it mechanically can, which is where your back is here. You can't increase the speed of anything here. It already has to be moving fast there. You'd barely take advantage of this position and then get under it up here. Okay? And we have a video demonstration that shows this perfectly. But we don't have time to look at it today. All right? So, now, the next logical question you should have is, well, then why did you teach us to jump to do the clean? And that's a perfectly reasonable question. Why do you think we did that?
So you don't ignore it?
Because there's not any other way to get the damn thing on your shoulders. When we omit the acceleration, there's no other way to get it up on your shoulders. You have to jump to get it on your shoulders, right? But the minute we get it on your shoulders and can teach you how to accelerate through the bottom of the pull, then we quit saying jump, because we're not jumping. You're not jumping. You're jumping with an empty bar. But that's not really a clean, that's just teaching it to you. So we have to use the jump to teach you how to rack the bar. There's not any other way to teach you how to rack the bar. All right? But once you know how to rack the bar, and once you know how to touch the thigh every time on the way up, and pull the bar off the floor with acceleration, then the jump is not what you're doing. How far do your feet move off the platform when there's 200 pounds in your clean? Well, not enough to call it a jump, right? They just go sideways. Once again, you don't do this with your feet, you do that with your feet. Because we're in fact not jumping.